I'm Joe Acedera.
Hola people, I'm Joseph Delacruz.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Isaiah Babila.
And welcome to G207 YouTube channel.
This is P601 and we will be discussing units and measurements.
So guys, what do you think is units? And what is the purpose of units in our life?
Let's find out later.
So, in this video, we will define and provide some examples about units and measurements.
So sit back and relax and enjoy the movie.
Yay!
Units and measurements. To begin, let's define what a measurement is and what it actually means to measure something. A measurement is a comparison between a known quantity and a standard. To describe natural phenomena, we must make measurements of various aspects of nature. For example, this man is measuring his height and weight. As you can see guys in the picture, let's say this man's height measure 165 and his weight is 50. So guys, do I make sense? So probably no, because numbers does not make sense in measuring. You must give you units, so therefore it has physical meaning. For instance, if I said the thickness of the book was 12, then you will not actually know what I mean, because there will be no context for what the 12 represents. In fact, this measure would only make sense if the number 12 had a unit of measure to go along with it. Thus, both numbers and units are necessary of any meaningful physical quantities. Well, in science, a measurement is the assignment of a numerical value to an object's physical property. Measuring physical properties such as length, volume, and density is very common. For example, you might want to know the length of a line, the volume of a sphere, or the density of a liquid. Whenever we take measurements, we also have to assign units to the numerical quantity in order to convey the relative size or magnitude of the property in a question. As an example, if I said the length of my shoe was 10, you would not actually know how long my shoe was, because there will be no context for what the 10 represents. In fact, this measure would only make sense if the number 10 had a unit of measure to go along with it. So, what is a unit of measure? In order to have accurate and reproducible ways to define magnitudes of length, volume, density, etc., scientists have developed various systems of measure. These systems are made up of units of measure, which are basically standardized amounts of various physical quantities. The SI system is the international system of measure used by scientists. It is a very comprehensive system with many units of measure. However, we will only need to cover a few of these units in order to prepare for the test. The fundamental physical properties you will need to know for the test are as follows: mass, length, temperature, and time. You can see that for each property, there is a mathematical level which is used in formulas and the actual name of the corresponding SI unit or measure. So feel free to pause the video and familiarize yourself with the information on this chart.
So, good day guys. Our problem today is convert 16 centimeters into meters. Our first step is we need to get the equivalent of centimeters into meters, which is 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. Then our step 2 is we need to find the two multiples of converting centimeters into meters, and we need to get 2. And one of those 2 are wrong and one of those 2 is correct. So the one is 100 centimeters over 1 meter. And we can use 1 meter over 100 centimeters. Step 3 is we need to get this 16 centimeters over 1 and multiply it both these. One of those 2 is correct and one of those 2 is wrong. So let's do this. First, we need to get this one. Cross multiplication and we will get square. If you will think 1600 centimeter is so wrong, then we will proceed to this second one. Cancel. And you will get the answer of, simplify it and you will get 0.16 meters. That's all. Thank you.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. That's all for today. Thank you.
And don't forget to like our video.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.